PMP PDU requirements in 60 seconds. You must earn 60 PDUs every 3 years. 1 hour activity counts for 1 PDU. 2 main categories to earn PDUs are education and giving back. You must earn at least 35 education PDUs. There is no maximum limit. All 60 PDUs can be submitted through the education category. Education PDUs can be earned by 1. Course or training. This is the most popular way to earn PDUs. 2. Global events. 3. Local meetings. 4. Online or digital media. 5. Reading. And 6. Informal learning. You can submit a maximum of 25 Giving Back PDUs. Only 8 PDUs of these can be under the Working as a Practitioner category. Giving Back PDUs can be earned by 1. Work as a practitioner. 2. Create content. 3. Give a presentation. 4. Share knowledge. And 5. Volunteer. Enroll in our 60 PMP PDU bundle and renew your PMP hassle-free.